Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can put this sort of title under your name on Instagram. So for instance, you are an artist or a musician, you can put that title under your name on Instagram, on your Instagram profile. This has been suggested by a comment, this comment right here. In a few previous videos that I've made. So I'm just going to get started by going to my profile. Click on the three lines on the top right corner. Go to settings. Go to account. Go down and switch to professional account. Press continue until you find the category you're in. So for instance, you are a writer, or for instance, that is a personal blog. Just press that and make sure you turn the display on profile button on. Just enable this, and then you're going to press done. And after that, you are going to press OK. Alright, and then it'll show, it'll ask if you are a creator or a business. I'm just going to choose creator for now and then press next. And then I'm just going to close that. And then you can do the steps, but I'm like not bothered enough to do that, but there you go. You'll have that title under that name. I don't have a name right now, but as you can see, there is the personal blog title. And you'll have added tools and insights too, because it is a professional account. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.